Hi, it's Chef Crystal from Crystal Dawn Culinary. I have been teaching raw food around the world for over a decade, and I'm here today from my kitchen to talk to you about 6 weeks to raw. If you're ready to stop feeling overwhelmed by raw food and start creating raw meals and desserts that you are genuinely proud of, then this might be the most exciting 6 weeks you'll spend in your kitchen with me. Maybe you've thought, I want more energy, clearer skin, fewer cravings. I know raw food could help, but I just don't know where to start. I get it. Everything at first can feel really overwhelming and feel like a lot. This is why I created 6 Weeks to Raw, a complete training and coaching experience that walks you step by step through setting up your raw kitchen, mastering foundational techniques, prepping efficiently, and confidently creating delicious raw meals and raw desserts that you'll actually love. Everything from breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and even dessert. Now what you'll get when you join us in 6 Weeks to Raw is a full kitchen setup walkthrough, how to shop, how to source your ingredients and your equipment, organized for raw food success, plus all the foundational techniques you'll ever need to know with raw food, everything from knife skills to dehydration, sprouting, fermentation, and even flavor balancing. The most exciting part is you'll get to join our weekly live coaching calls with me and the community, so you're not having to do this alone. You get all your questions answered, real-time feedback, plus you'll get lifetime access to all the content, so you'll get to refer back to the videos, the recipes, and all the curriculum whenever you need to. The goal of this program is to get you to incorporate more raw food into your everyday life. You don't have to eat 100% raw. My goal for you is just to eat more raw food. If you're ready to make raw food a part of your everyday life without the overwhelm, the confusion, and with a supportive coach by your side, then I would love to see you inside 6 Weeks to Raw. So let's make the most amazing, nourishing meals together. You're gonna feel so good after this program. You're gonna be super confident, you're gonna feel creative, and I will see you in class.